Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. So I'm so excited because we just bought a pool. We bought an Intex inflatable pool. So we're gonna try it out. But before we do that, I'm gonna just let you guys know all the things I purchased to get this whole thing set up. And I'm gonna walk you through it. Okay, so the very first thing that I purchased was this Intex pool. It is the 15 feet by 33 inches deep. I like this one because it is not that deep for us. My three kids should be able to stand up in this pool and the water not be too high. Even my 3-year-old, he's pretty tall, but at the same time, it shouldn't it shouldn't be too much for him. And that's why I actually chose this one. They do have this pool in other sizes, some smaller and even some larger. And I was thinking about getting the larger one so that way as I do outgrow it, we don't have to keep buying these pools. But we'll cross that bridge later on. The next thing I got was the solar pool cover. And when I read the reviews on this, it got mixed reviews. Some people loved it and some people hated it. I've heard that it's not the best material, but I'm going to give it a try. And also, a few people were saying that it made their water too hot. But I mean, for us, I'll just take the cover off, a few hours before we actually use it. I mean, I would like to get in a not freezing cold pool, but we shall see. Moving along, we have the Intex adapters, and we have the tubing that attaches to the filter. This pool actually did come with the filter. You can actually buy the Intex pool without a filter, but I like the fact that this one actually did come with it. And again, as far as the reviews, some people were saying that this filter was, it was okay, but you can actually upgrade your filter, and depending on how this works, we'll, when we test it out, we'll see. Next, we have the chlorine tablet holder and the actual chlorine tablets. And we have, let's see, this thing right here. I know this is not necessary, but it looks so cool. It is a pool foot bath. So you put this, well, you're supposed to put this around your steps to get into the pool, but because this pool is kind of low, we don't actually have steps for it, but you can just still stick it outside the pool. So you step in here first to kind of clean your feet off before you actually step in the pool, so that you're not bringing any dirt or grass or anything like that. And we have the life jackets I got. I got all 3 of these for my kids, and to be honest, I believe they can actually stand up in the pool and won't actually need these life jackets, but I'm just trying to be overly safe with my kids, so I'm going to put them on anyways, and we'll see how that goes. Next we have, let me go here. It is the deluxe pool maintenance kit. So I know I purchased this because it has the, I think it's called a skimmer, that long stick right there with the netting, and I really purchased it for that. But I think it also has a pool vacuum and some other little cleaning gadgets that I'm not quite sure on what to do. You guys, this is our very first real pool. So we're learning how to do all this stuff as we go. I've been watching so many YouTube videos and reading different websites on how to actually maintain this thing, because I'm so used to the little kiddie pool that you just, it's plastic and you just fill it up with water, and when you're finished, you just dump the water out. This is not the case with this pool, because it is, I guess it's like more on the real side of pools. And let's see, moving along, some other things that I purchased were these inflatable UFO squirter boats, and it looks so cool. I wish I could get on this, but I don't think I can. And I also got the inflatable armbands. So I don't know. I'll try and put these on if they don't wear the life jackets. Again, I have to see how deep the water really is. And I got the Mickey Mouse swim ring for my baby because he's infatuated with Mickey Mouse, so he's going to love it. I showed you the filter, I showed you the pool toys, and I would like more pool toys. I don't want to buy too many yet just because I don't know the size of this pool yet. You know, I mean, it says it's 15 feet, but I actually want to actually get the pool up and actually see, because I wanted to get like a pool lounger that I saw. It was so cool. It had like a canopy on it, but I want to make sure that the pool isn't too small to handle that. I do have a few more things coming. Tomorrow I have the pool water testing kit, and I have a skimmer that actually sits on the edge of the pool. So, you know, per the reviews that I've seen on it, it's supposed to be really good and actually capture a lot of stuff, the debris that might, you know, hit the bottom of the pool before it actually hits the bottom of the pool. So I want to try that out. I want to try and keep this pool as clean as possible, because that is one fear of mine about actually purchasing this, is because it seems like there's a lot of maintenance to it. And yeah, so that's one thing I, you know, have to, I guess, learn how to do, is how to actually maintain this thing. But I'm sure my husband's going to help as well. Let's see. And I think that is it. Oh, also, we bought something called a pool shock. So that way it actually helps keep your water balanced. So it's like a chemical that you use in your pool. I think you use it weekly to kind of keep the water clean and clear. So yeah, we have all kinds of stuff that I, you know, read up that you should that you need to use. And yeah, I don't know if we need it all, but again, this is a new learning experience for us. This is a new journey. So I hope you guys choose to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can follow us on this new journey of owning our very first pool and seeing how we handle everything. All right, guys, I'll talk to you in the next one, and have a great day.